If you ever receive the error PPtr cast failed when dereferencing, casting from texture2D to renderer, that particular error is called by a missing material. So what you want to do in this case, as you can see in the middle of the screen, it looks like there's something that is in pink. And so I clicked on that, and sure enough, I looked at the mesh renderer and there's missing material. So what I need to do is add a material and that error message will go away. If you receive the error PPtr cast failed when dereferencing, casting from texture2D to renderer, another reason might be that the shader is hidden internal error shader. So you're going to have to change your shader to make that error message go away.